there's no instructions for how I put it. I legit have no idea. So in the last video, which was the Indianapolis vlog, the audio completely sucked. Alright, If you haven't seen it yet, you probably should. It's still the best video I've ever made. But because of that, I ordered 3 mics off of Amazon, and today we're going to be unboxing them. So hopefully, the audio quality of this video is going to get better as the video drags on. Alright, so I've ordered 3 mics. One is for the camera, one is a lav mic, so it's going to go on like my collar right here, and one is my desktop mic, because, hold on. This is the mic I have now, and it absolutely sucks. So we're going to get rid of that trash. And we're going to be unboxing a new desktop mic that's hopefully better. Oh no, I think I just... Oh no. I think I just broke one of the boxes inside. It's not a laser mic, I promise. I'm not lying this time. You know, so there we go. Oh wow, all 3 of my mics are here. That's nice. So I have these things. There you go. Alright, which mic do I want to unbox? I think it probably should be the camera mic. Alright, so put that to the side here. So this is the camera mic. It is a shotgun mic, so it can only like get audio from like the front or wherever it's pointing to. And yeah, we're gonna unbox this thing. It's not cutting. I'm not kidding. This thing is like invincible. Like, look at this. It won't cut. It's not cutting at all. I can't shove the knife in it. I'm trying as hard as I can. Alright, well I guess we can go this way. Oh, wait a second. Oh yeah, hold on. Okay. Here we go. Clear directional audio on the go. Compact and lightweight by design, the Video Mic Go delivers clear, crisp, directional audio with incredible ease of use. So, oh, I don't know what that was. So here we go. Here is the new camera mic. Quick start guide. Put that in the thing, and then yeah, okay. So you take this, plug it into the camera, and it should have better audio. So you're gonna be hearing the audio from this mic in 3, 2, 1. There you go. I did the cool little snapping thing. There we go. So on to the next mic. I still have a bunch of crap. Oh, okay, so now I can see. Look at that film. Yeah, it just gave me a bag. I hate it. Oh, wait a sec. Alright, so there's apparently a mic inside the bag. Ooh. So we don't need those. And we don't need those. Apparently they have a laptop, or like a computer attachment. I don't know why you can't just plug like this into the laptop. You have to plug this into this, and then this into the computer, and I don't know why. Here is the lav mic. So you just put this, right? Oh wow, this thing is... And then you plug the other end into a phone with a camera, and it's a pretty long cord as well, so you can just like, you know, yeah, like that. And then you plug it into the camera. So yeah, there you go. There is the lav mic. So now, we're gonna move on to my new desktop mic. It's a condenser microphone, it has a boom arm, a shock mount, and a pop filter. So it's way better than, hold on. So it's gonna be way better than this thing. The old stupid mic. Oh, wait a second, just... Yeah, okay, there you go. How do I open it? Oh, here we go. Alright, boys. Look how huge that pop filter is. I compare that to like my old mic. That is huge. Here's the shock mount. I have technically a shock mount like right there. I technically have a shock mount like right there. So I mean, instructions. Ooh, you have the You have the cup holder, and then you have the bracket to put on the table, cords, and here we go. Here's the actual boom arm. Yeah, that, and then the mic itself. There's more wrapping. Hold on. The mic itself, solid metal. I can fit it inside my mouth. That's good. Hold on, where's the? I'm gonna put this on it right now to protect it from whenever I try to click. I can't. I don't know if it's all the way in or not. Okay, I think we're good. Anyway, oh no. Okay, there we go. Okay, what else do we need to put? Oh, that's from the pop film. I'm gonna put this back in the freaking bag before I lose the freaking lav mic. I feel free now, I'm not choking. Put back in the bag, close it. There we go. So next we put... What do I put on first? I don't know what... Maybe I shouldn't have thrown away the instructions. It's all the way like over... it's all the way over there. I don't want to get it. Do I just... Alright, fine, I'll get the dang instructions. Where is the instructions? Oh, that's right. Is this it? This is it. Okay, how do I put this thing together? There is no instructions for how I put this thing together. It's just... It's all instructions about how I freaking put it into my computer. This isn't telling me anything about how I actually put together the actual armor. So, is there anything in here? Nope. Okay, well, you know what? It's fine. Everything is fine, okay? As long as I can get this thing... Ooh. See, okay, you attach this thing. It's like a fishing pole. Pretty sure the mic is supposed to go like... It's the bracket to put it on. There we go. There's a bracket. And then now the pop hole. Right here, if I just screw the... No! Screw it in a bit tighter. A bit tighter. Where does the mic... Ooh! Okay, hold on. If I just like put the clamp... Like, other way. Other way. Oh, frick. Okay, and then just... Why is it so thick? There you go, and then you can just go fishing, and then just slowly, there we go. Where did it go? Where did it go? I can't, oh, it's right there. Okay, okay, you know what? I'll actually put it together. Seriously, yeah. I can stop screwing around and get my mic together before I destroy something. I promise. I legit have no idea how to build it. Oh my god! Okay, there we go. I think it's tightened. I think we have it. Okay, there we go. There's the... Okay. So, we have the boom arm. We have the mount. Hold on, let's put it right here to make it easier. Why does everything have to screw in this? Oh my gosh. We're not even halfway there. Unscrew fast. I have to screw this thing up again as well to like attach it to the table. There we go. Like that. Bring it. There we go. And then maybe screw this thing up right here. Okay. There we go. Now, shock mount. Not shock mount. Pop filter. Where the heck did I put this thing? Right here. Right? Where's the freaking picture of the mic? Where's the mic? Oh my gosh. How do I freaking put this thing together? Where's the... Ah! Okay, come on. There we go. What the heck am I doing? You know what? Screw it. I'm watching a video. Screw it. I don't care anymore. Okay. Ah!
About this is it is swivel.
What
So
the?
you can
What?
swivel it, so you want to make sure this is loose as
I
you turn
can't. I can't even freaking unscrew.
you know, you push these, it's gonna open that up.
Oh.
It's gonna leave.
Oh no, it's sagging. Oh no. Oh no, this thing's gonna fall. Okay.
Right now.
My God, did that take forever? Okay. We finally got this thing together. It's falling apart at the table. The plastic table is bending. But yeah, it's fine.